Welcome guys to another session of the Heroes and Generals Manager. Today I'm not going to talk about coding in situations, but I'm going to show you the alpha version, so a test version I put online on our website. The purpose is to test the code functionality like it is now, so not the graphic things and the settings and stuff like that, but see if the characters are doing what it needs to be done, the assault teams are doing what it needs to be done, and yeah, see if it's suitable to have yeah, collect the data from in the game. So basically have a screen open with the app and then play Heroes and Generals and then start filling in the values. I'm not going to talk much more about it, so we're just going to see how we can get the file for testing purposes only. Okay, I have my internet open, so we are going. I'm going to log off, so I'm just going to go to Fort Infantry.com. That's just, oh, I did something wrong. Infantry.com. Voila. Then click on the logo. Then I'm still logged in. Then you go to the forum. On the forum you go to development. Then you have like the changelog. This is where I put everything I doing. Then the YouTube channel, yeah, this is the channel you're now watching. Then the guide, quick write down, more to come. It depends on the development, so I slowly create a little tutorial over here that I later going to put in a PDF or something, so I will see, but that's for later on. And then we have the alpha testing section. Here, if you click this link, you will get like the file. Then to reset the application, so for example you're testing and then the first time run is done, so it's always referring to your saved data. You need to delete the saved data folder, and the saved data folder you can find in your C directory, users, your username, application data, local law, IMT, Heroes and Generals Manager, and then inside that folder you will find, hold on, do I have the folder open? I have the folder open. I'm going to drag them to this side, so that is the file path. Hold on, you see users, username, and then inside here you will find that save folder. I will show you soon, but we're first going to do the first step. So here we go. We're going to hit the button. We're going to, I don't have it in there, okay, we're going to save that. Wait until it's finished. Show in folder structure, click on it. Then we're going to extract, so it's in Dutch, but I'm going to, it's WinZip or WinRAR I'm using, so extract, voila. Now I did something wrong, I see. Yeah, okay, I'm going to, hold on, I'm going to do this differently. Delete this back, so not just extract, but first this guy, extract to, that's a little bit cleaner instead of having it extracted all over the place. Okay, so basically this is what we need to do. Then you click on, double click this file. Oh, you can't. So basically this is what you get, and yep, allow. Huh? Okay, it's already running. Voila, that's a intro, quick intro. And then this is the basically the application. You can close this. This is basically the debug messages you see in the console. So for the moment we don't need that. Okay, here we go. So we're going to enter fiction values for this purposes. So right now we're going to say like we have a war count is 500 for the moment. I own 25,000 credits. I own only 10,000 war fronts, and I have like 600 gold. I'm in a clan. Our clan is the fort. My name is Yankske _ BE. I'm from preferred faction US. Then I own, this will be completely fiction, just for testing purposes. I own 1 private, 1 general, make it 2 generals, and I'm going to do that the same for all the factions. So we'll rank 18, 21, 0, 18, oh, and 21. Okay, that's the infantry I got. Then just to test purposes, we give him 1, 1, 1. Yep, all faction have 1 para, all faction have 1 recon, all faction have 1 tank guy, and all faction has a pilot. Voila. Then here it went wrong, not here but in the naming to create, so I'm going to do again. I'm going to create 2 of each. So 2, 2, 2. That's one. So this is basically the first thing we need to do before we can use the program. You can, for testing purposes, you can use fiction data, or you can use your own data from inside the game. So voila. So now when I'm going to hit this one, it already saves a file, so it will save here. You can have the option to save, and it saves when you exit the program. Before you exit the program, it also saves it. So next, everything is calculated, everything is created. So yeah, the save button is basically saving the game state or the values entered. Then the informational button, that is fantasy situation, but informational. You have the ranks, the icon and the rank for each faction. Then you have the infantry para icons, and then the assault team icons. These need to be changed. These I don't have at the moment. I need to recreate them. The rest is all, these icons are all from Rito. It's all from Heroes and Generals itself, so it's not created by me. So okay, that was the info. Then we have the factions, the faction statics. It is so like I am an American player, so I will be most on the American tab to show what I got, so what you got this is not working for the moment because yeah, okay, this is also additional, but this needs to be working, and this is what we're going to test. And then meanwhile I will fix the code for this and repair the bugs before we go on creating the diagram, because the diagram will be created from the data we put in now, you know. So this needs to be working first before you can start drawing graphics and stuff like that. So this was correct. We has two assault teams, so each two. We have 7 characters. I have 2 generals. Yeah, and then one of each. Then we're going to close that. Then we're going to open the German ones. This is correct. Okay. And this is correct. So basically you buy, it adds the total amount of characters, it adds it to the class it is. Once you become a general, then this is done by the update normally, but that is all what we need to test. So basically if you become a general, you need to delete the infantry class, for example, and create a general from it. So normally, then okay, that's a German. So that is the statics. Let me say what I have or what do I own. Then we go to the character. So yeah, we are playing, and it's created US Infantry 1, US General 2, like that. So same for the para, US para 10, and then we can level them up. Voila. So now it's here. I need to do the same a little bit like on the assault team, so that this panel stays when you hit the button instead of flipping back to the, but that's just personal preferences. So then yeah, it's like a private class. We can rename that. That's me. Then we click on it. Then we need to click on that. So the refreshing of the page or of the panel needs to be done. So you see that is working now. I'm going to switch them. Yeah. I'm gonna switch from infantry, let me say, to para, and this will be counted down in war fonts when I just click now. When I select this one and then click, it will be counted down from your gold currency. So I'm going to do this, doesn't matter. Voila, you see now it's a private para, and here I am as para. So then yeah, here something went wrong, it seems. Okay, but this is just the things we need to check now. Okay, so that was the character thing, what you can do on the character. Then we have the assault teams. So the US faction, I have 2 generals for the moment. Voila. Like I say, I created 2 of each. What was the problem yesterday? I uploaded the version yesterday, the first version. The problem was the counter stopped working for some reason. So like US 1 guard, US 2 guard, it was all US 1 guard, infantry, motorized. So now it's working. We have 2 of each. We have the guard, the motorized, the infantry, motorized infantry, mechanized, recon, so the complete listing. So this, yeah, we're not going to watch the numbers for the moment, but This is basically to simulate. So here is where you, from now on, you can simulate. So hold on, I'm going to close this for a second. I'm going to just go to costs. I'm going to click load, so I'm in this war. I'm going to just quickly, voila, he did it, but I'm going to give me some more credits, 25,000 for example, then I have 50,000, that should be, hold on, do it like that, so for testing purposes. Okay, then I'm going to explain this later. Okay, go back to the assault teams. So now we have our assault team. What can we do here on this? You have the general. Now we can buy a guard, the price, you can enter a name for your assault team, buy it with war funds, buy it with gold. That's what we can do. So US tester, it's a group, buy it up, voila. Then yeah, okay, don't watch the, and normally when we now somewhere there needs to be a US tester, voila, there he is. So now US tester, you see, it doesn't matter, I click this one. Now you can do the same like you did on the character. Yeah, I'm just checking something. So here you can rename him, you can level him up. And then what we can do on this side of the panel, so hold on, I'm missing something. Oh yeah, I'm missing something. Hold on a second. Yeah, okay. Does he do it? Hold on, I need to scroll all the way up. So this is okay. Okay, I'm gonna write it down. Okay, that is okay. That is okay. That is okay. That one is okay. That one is okay. That one is not okay. So this one is not okay. That one is okay. Okay. So I need to check now. You see here, like for some reason, on some assault teams, you're not able to rank upgrade them from recon to motorized, so that I need to check. I will quickly find a pen, like always. My son was studying. Voila. Okay, so I quickly want to write that down. I called it modify panel. Modify panel. Check. Great. So this is the debugging we need to do. So this is the first thing I see for the moment. That is really, it was working, same like the naming, it was working, so I don't understand why it's not working, but okay, it's no problem. So that was that. Okay, then quickly just hit it for, no, it's correctly, so it's not showing it on the mechanized infantry. And that has to do, for example, no, I cannot do that. I cannot do that because you cannot buy a mechanized assault team. You need to start from guard. So okay, we're not going to do that. We're now going to deploy. So hold on. So just watch here above, but okay. Which one we going to deploy? Let me see. Take this one. Yeah. That's normally one command point. One command point, and this is two command points. And one command point. Yes. So that is basically working. Ah yeah, this I didn't do. So that is basically to, once you become general of the army, you can have a few extra command points that you need to add to it. Okay, so then we have the character, the US general. The second one, we're going to show him the deploy list normally, but for some reason there's something going wrong. There is something going wrong. Why? Yep, there's something going wrong. Hold on. It stopped working. Okay, hold on. Going to reload it. Okay, quickly check. That look for build. This guy we need. Save data. You see. Okay, there's one file in it, so that's a file you're going to load. So if there are more files in that directory, he will be loading. Okay, I'm going to leave this open. Assault teams. Show US. And he did not save it. Okay. Good, 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 good. Allee, not good, but close it. Exit. Then yeah, you see he's creating the second one. So this is what we need. We're now going to reset it. The application. So we're going to reset it. Voila. Then we're going to open this back. Yeah, sometimes when a little failure happens in the code afterwards can be very unstable. So this is what I mean, like we really need to go step by step by step and first fix all those things before we go to work further. So just fiction data. Testing purposes. Oh, overflow extraction value is too long. Okay, so basically I can always add later. Is it still too long? Keep it a little bit the same. Voila. Well, do the same. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now I'm not going to do the complete. I'm only going to take infantry. So if you not fill in anything, you will not or get a message that you forgot to fill something in. So okay, hold on, huh? I'm now going to only test US, and I'm going to do it a bit like this. Okay, voila. Next, the factions. Okay, it's good. Characters, so US, one, yep. Soul teams. So US. Hold on, I'm going to. Can I move this? No, it only opens. Okay. Click that dude. Deploy. 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 Then normally. Yeah, voila. Show deploy the soul teams. So this is what I mean. Why is it sometimes not working and sometimes doing everything it needs to be? Then okay, click back on that soldier, click back on that soldier, deploy. He got nothing deployed, you see? He got nothing deployed. And he got something deployed, okay. Now, motorized, yeah. No, That is working. No, that is not working. That is working. So the mechanized does not have that upgrade in it. So oh yeah, but that's normal. Oh yeah, idiot. That's normal. I put it like that because there's nothing to go higher. Oh yeah, idiot. I need to remove the text. Okay, so problem solved. Sometimes problem solves quickly. So okay, so close it, and now we're going to play some games, and then we're going to. We have now deployed because I have 1 point more, so I'm deploying that also, and then I have no command points left. So if I basically would click now, it will not do anything. Then here it will crash again. So there's, oh no, it's not crashing. There's a delay in it. Okay, so we have the assault teams now deployed. It was counted down. We're going to close it. I'm going to exit program. Exit. Okay. So basically now we need to save everything or have everything saved what we got until now. We're going to reopen it. So you see it's really a test version, it's not voila. US 111111111 US 2. Yeah. Okay. Assault teams. So US. Close. That's this guy. This guy has 1, 2, 3, 4. Blah. So it is working. So basically it's doing what I wanted to do. We can change things maybe later, but like for example now, what I can do is we have a war, a running war. The moment the war is running, I disable this. So like now I can go on the show deployed. I can undeploy them. You see, I can undeploy them, and now we don't have any deployments active. So yeah, and then you see now the naming is correct. So that was yesterday the problem. So I'm glad it's fixed. It was a minor error in my code. I deleted it. It's like an integer, and it has to be a static integer, and instead of a normal one, it seems. So okay, but it's working. Then we're going to close. Then we're going to the costs. So this is basically where we're going to be on a lot, I would say, because so now I load in the war because I didn't do new war. I have can I show it? Yeah, this one. No, that one not. That one. I have. Oh no, I only have one file. Okay, I only have one file. But normally this has nothing to do because this is loaded from a list, not from a directory normally. But I could be wrong. So what we can do now, we're going to start the first battle of the day. We earn 4 gold. Voila, we have our 4 gold. Then I was playing, I had like 1800 ammo refill, jeep refill costs. I'm going to add that. You see it's counting down. Then we play, we won 2000 credits and 400 war funds. We added it to the, see, it's automatically added. Then what I'm going to show you also, now I'm going to quickly go back, deploy some, voila, there we have 3 deployments. Close this, go back to the costs. The war is selected, but it's now the end of the war, so we're going to start a new war. Voila, new war. Then automatically there's a new war. We're going to load that one in, and then when we go now to our assault teams and we click first on this guy, that's what I mean, the refreshing needs to be done. You see, like, you don't have anything anymore in the deploy list. It resets the counters, it resets the listing and stuff. So okay, then on the costs, so this is basically now the amount we have. Next day we play, voila, we play. I buy, for example, normally, yeah, the buying is also done through, so basically this is the equipment, like everything that is not a character, everything that is not a soul team, these prices, this is what we fill in here. We win, we win. I buy some gold, or I buy some war bonds and I earned some gold, we enter the value here. Then when during playing you can fill with credits or you can fill with gold, so basically I think most of the time you will be over here. Same for this. And then, yeah, buying with war funds, you see there's nothing with war funds in it, because when we go here, it will be war funds that is counted, or it will be gold that will be counted. So then when you click on that guy or that guy, it will be just, you see 2 guards at the end. Yeah, and then also I don't think, yeah, so this is the price basically for switching. So if I'm now going up, voila, so now he was switched, and now you cannot, yeah, you cannot upgrade anymore, because, and then this is also, now for this I believe it's correct, so this needs to be modified also, because only on the infantry we go to a level 3, so I need to check the leveling system in game on my accounting. So but yeah, it's doing what it needs to be doing. So I need then later on do the graphic, so basically something that you will show lines, or I don't know how, but from selected save games, for example, to compare. But yeah, that is, I have a test version where I have a listing, loading from a listing, but it needs to be loading from several listing, or loading simultaneously 2 files next to each other. So voila. Then the profiles, yeah, that will be also a profile page, for example, where you can enter your name and stuff like that. maybe a preparation for building the clan owners section, for example, where you can but then not in a manner like characters or like this, more in a listing manner. I think it's better, because when you have like 100 members all owning 100 assault teams, yeah, you can imagine what a heavy weight it will be on the program. So, but yeah, that is what we need to test. For example, you load in 50 assault teams and the program keeps on crashing. That is what we don't know for the moment. So that we will find out doing testing, developing, and like I'm doing everything by myself. So this is really my first application I'm writing. I did some things for the farming simulator community, but not really on this scale of coding, let me say. So yeah, voila, we're going to exit the program. Then we have like 2 save games now. So you see, and the filing is not so, the save file is not really big at the moment, so that is also positive. Yeah, I'm going to delete this folder again. So this is basically what I'm doing the whole time: testing, deleting, and testing, fixing. Like here, basically in this folder. Yeah, I don't mess with that for the moment. So there's nothing saved in here. It's all done, so we can move this to another location, and then maybe make a shortcut once we have a working version, a permanent version. You can have a shortcut on your desktop, but for now yeah, that's not another option, because like I started on alpha 1, today it's alpha 4, so you really need to monitor the website, that you see like, oh yeah, you got a new version updated, because the link will always be the same, the file naming will always be the same, only the yeah the application itself will be different. But that you see like the current today is alpha 4. So at the moment I'm not going, or have no plans in doing a little modification to yeah, to upload a new version. This was really needed to have it like it is now, and then to fix the minor things so it's working. So you have a little bit of a working version, and you can say like, hey, this is done nice, but maybe do it like this, that I prefer it like that, and based on those informations we can yeah, maybe create a nice program. So it started with a little chit chatting, and finally we start coding on something, and then like today, yeah, we have like a little version we can start testing on, and then I will add the other sections in later, once we finish everything. I would say you can leave a comment on YouTube, or you can find me in the TeamSpeak channel, for example. So if you go to the Heroes and Generals public TeamSpeak, US TeamSpeak server, you can find me in the 4th infantry. So I'm going to just show you how I do it. Click just on the top, press on the numeric keyboard, press on 4, and you directly come to us, and there I am. That's me. So you can always find me here. You can have the direct linking to our website and stuff like that. So if you want to discuss something with me, you can always poke me. Then we have our yeah, I have two URLs, so basically international modding .be or the fourthinfantry.com. I'm going to close this. Then on the forum, under the section development, under the alpha testing, you can download the file and you can leave comments. So basically here you can just leave a reply, but I think you first need to register to the website, so you can choose what you want to do. You can leave it here or you can leave it directly on YouTube. So I suggest for those who are following the development of the program and really are interested in having a tool like that, please provide me with enough information so I will break my head on how I will do the coding. But if I got a lot of input, it would be easier to make something for everybody. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys soon when I have a updated version or when I create a new section, for example the graphics. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.